we are now in Livigno. We found some bike shop in the middle of the city, somewhere over there, just to get some brake service and so on really quickly, buy new helmets for Sam, and then the guy organized us a shuttle so we don't have to bike up the mountain now, because in Livigno everything is closed from the beginning of September, and now we're getting a shuttle. Yes! Amazing views! Chicken line. Haha, nice. Yeah, that feels much better now. Roots took me by surprise. Oh, all right, so you want to take the North Shore?
Oh yeah.
I'll go right.
No, not really.
Damn, these drops here. It's gnarly. Oh, fuck. Wait a sec. All right, just missed the line. Oh, fuck. The rock garden. Fuck, it's time to wrap up now and go home. That was a good beating now. So this was just a short glimpse into what Livigno in the north of Italy has to offer.